All right, so today we're diving into something, pretty interesting and honestly kind of surprising, at least at first glance.
Yeah.
We're talking about making money online using just simple calculators.
It's funny you say that because it really just shows you how powerful a simple solution can be, especially online.
Right.
Like you think about it, most people wouldn't think twice about using a basic calculator. You know what I mean? And that's really what makes this such a clever strategy.
Exactly. And this whole deep dive is based on this guide that I found called How to Create Simple Calculators with AI and Make Money Online.
Mm-hmm.
And honestly, I don't know about you, but that title alone had me hooked.
Yeah, no, it makes total sense. Like, we live in this world of instant gratification. Everybody wants answers, like, right now. And calculators really tap into that desire, you know? They give people those quick solutions in those micro moments that we have online. Yeah. And it's that instant gratification that makes them more likely to stick around and engage with your site.
Which is where that money-making magic happens, right?
Exactly.
But before we get ahead of ourselves, the guide actually uses this example of a mulch calculator,
Okay.
saying that people search for that over 21,000 times a month.
Wow.
Which, who knew that mulch calculations were such a hot commodity?
More people than you might think. Just imagine for a second you're someone planning out your garden, right? You're working on this gardening project.
Right.
You need to figure out how much mulch to buy. You don't want to pull out a pen and paper, or even worse, try and do the math in your head.
Oh, absolutely not.
What do?
I would be on Google searching mulch calculator faster than you could say garden trowel.
Exactly. And that's the brilliance behind it. You're meeting an actual demand for easy-to-use tools that already exists.
Okay, so I'm starting to see the potential here, but what I really want to know is how do you actually build these calculators?
Yeah.
Do you need to be some kind of coding genius? Because full disclosure, I am not.
That's where the AI magic comes in.
Okay.
And this is something the guide really emphasizes. You do not need to know a single line of code to make this work.
Okay.
They specifically talk about ChatGPT.
Uh-huh.
Basically, you tell ChatGPT what kind of calculator you need. Let's stick with that mulch example. And ChatGPT generates the actual code for you.
Hold on. So ChatGPT will literally write the code for a working calculator just from a simple description.
Yep. It's all about harnessing that power of AI to do the heavy lifting for you.
Wow.
And then you just copy that code, paste it into a .php file, which is way simpler than it sounds, I promise. And you just upload it to your website.
Okay.
The guide even recommends some user-friendly hosting platforms, so even that part's super easy.
Okay, so I'm following you so far. I've got my ChatGPT-powered mulch calculator. It's sitting pretty on my website. But how does this actually translate into making money?
So it's not about selling the calculator itself, right? The real money-making potential here comes from something called affiliate marketing.
Okay.
And essentially what we're doing is we're strategically weaving in these affiliate links into your calculator's results page.
Affiliate links. Okay, so I think I'm vaguely familiar with the concept, but how would that actually work with the calculator?
Okay, so let's stick with our mulch calculator example, right? Let's say someone uses your calculator. They figure out they need like 20 cubic feet of mulch for their garden.
Okay.
Right there in the results, you could have affiliate links to local garden centers that sell mulch.
Oh, okay.
Maybe even links to like Wheelbarrow's gardening gloves. You get the idea.
Right. So it's all about recommending these products that are super relevant at the exact moment that the user needs them.
Exactly. You're providing that genuine value by connecting them with products that are only going to enhance their whole experience, right?
Right.
And then if they click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission.
Got it. So it's a win-win.
Exactly.
So the calculator topic is the what, and then the affiliate marketing is the how in this whole money-making equation.
Precisely. And the where is just as important. You got to find that right niche.
Right.
The guide actually lists out a ton of different potential niches, everything from like finance and real estate to some more surprising ones like bodybuilding, even dating.
Wow.
Seems like you could create a calculator for pretty much anything these days.
It really is amazing how many everyday things could just be simplified with just like a quick calculator tool.
Right.
But with so many options, how do you even begin to choose the right niche? I feel like it'd be easy to get overwhelmed.
A little healthy overwhelm is good. It means your brain's already like churning with the possibilities. But
Yeah.
You're right. You got to be strategic about it.
Yeah.
Think about it like this. Are there any like passionate communities or hobbyist groups out there that would benefit from having some sort of specialized calculator. What about things like recurring expenses? Things people need to calculate over and over again. Those are usually good places to start.
Okay, that makes total sense. So look for those passionate communities, those recurring needs. It's like a treasure map for niche calculator gold.
Yeah.
But let's say our listeners have brainstormed some killer niches. They've even got their ChatGPT-powered calculators up and running. What advice would you give them to really make this work, to make sure those calculators actually start generating some of that sweet affiliate income?
Well, that's where things get really interesting, because it's not just about building any calculator, right?
Right.
It's about building the right calculator for the right audience.
Okay.
Think about it for a sec. If you're passionate about a niche yourself, you're way more likely to understand the needs of that community.
Yeah, it's true.
And that shows in the calculator you create.
So passion project meets potential side hustle. That's a pretty sweet combination.
Exactly. And another key thing here, don't just throw any old affiliate links in there.
Right.
You really got to think about your audience here.
Yeah.
What products or services would actually add value to their experience? What would you want to see recommended if you were using the thing?
So it's all about being authentic, being truly helpful, not just trying to make a quick buck.
100%. And when you approach affiliate marketing from that mindset, that's how you build trust with people.
Right.
And that is what will lead to that long-term success.
This has been such an eye-opening deep dive,
It's
honestly.
been fun.
We started with something as simple as, just a calculator. And now we're talking about AI niche communities, affiliate marketing strategies.
Yeah.
It really goes to show you the power of just thinking a little outside the box when it comes to online business these days.
It really does. And what excites me most about it is that this is something that anybody can do. You don't need to be a tech wizard.
Right.
You don't have to be a marketing guru. If you can dream up a helpful calculator, the rest can fall into place.
I love that. And that's a fantastic point to end on. So for everyone listening out there, here's your takeaway challenge. What's your calculator niche? What problem can you solve in a simple, user-friendly way?
I love it.
Maybe you'll be surprised at what you come up with. And who knows, it could turn into something truly amazing.